What is good, YouTube? We're back again with another video, and in today's video we're finally getting some progress done on Project Green Tea. It's a beautiful Monday out here in New Jersey. I have off today and I have off tomorrow for 4th of July, so I said, you know what, I should just get this done now instead of waiting until whenever I end up having another set of time. But in today's video, I'm on my way to go pick up some dry ice. We're gonna be putting it in Project Green Tea, and that is how we're gonna be removing the sound deadening. Basically, when you do this, you scatter it. It's a big brick, I believe, or I don't know how they're gonna give it to me, but I'm just gonna say what I've seen on YouTube already. It's a big brick of dry ice, maybe a 1 or 2 depending on how much pounds you get. You put it, you start smashing it up into little chunks, and you place it wherever you want it. You let it sit for a little bit, and it just starts to freeze everything. And from there, you basically just start to bash on the dry ice / your sound deadening, and it should just start to break off into little pieces, and it should just come off 1, 2, 3 easy like that. But I'm about to pick up the dry ice now, and then we're gonna head over to the garage.
Alright guys, so in this clip, I don't know what happened from when I transferred to the regular mode. I guess it just didn't work out on the camera, but essentially what I was saying is that the dry ice is really cold and I felt it through the box. And I was just saying that you should not handle it with your bare hands because you will get burned. And as you can see, I'm about to end up grabbing a pair of gloves that I had on me to use throughout this entire project that I was doing for the day. But yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know what ended up happening with the audio, but hopefully next time it doesn't happen.
Yo guys, some guy just drove by. I'm about to be a little nosy, but he just crashed into this taxi, dude. Let's just be a little nosy. My man macked hard into the back of this taxi. This guy barely got any damage, but this boy, that thing done up. My man not paying no attention. Damn, bro, get out the way. Stop being nosy. What's wrong with you? That boy done up, bro. Pay attention. Guys, I wish I had the camera on just now, because I don't know what's going on today. But now, I don't know if that guy in the Honda Accord hit that taxi or some dude in a Nissan Sentra, because I just saw some guy in a Nissan Sentra rear-ended, but no car was there nearby where it showed that it was rear-ending him or whatever. You get what I'm trying to say? But like, I think this guy rear-ended a Nissan Sentra, now that I'm seeing it. And I think that this Nissan Sentra was up against a pole, the front end. So this guy hit this guy, this Nissan Sentra went up a pole, and now this Honda Accord dude tried to dip off, and now a couple people were chasing after him. So the taxi dude was one of the people chasing after him. Some person in a red, newer Honda Accord 10th gen, and like some town workers or something, because those dudes in green were walking by. But I think that was a hit and run now that I think about it. I really wish I had the camera on to show you guys that Nissan, but all right, now we're officially on the way to the garage. All right, guys, so we made it to the garage. I'm about to pull out Project Green Tea real quick, take everything out of the car, and I guess we're just gonna get started on it, you know? Let's do this.
Alright guys, so again, it happened. I don't know why it's doing that, but I was just showing you guys the engine bay, and I was just explaining how now there's some progress on the body of the car. My friend Patrick, shout out to him, he did the body work. I'm not sure if there's been a video where you guys have seen it already with the body work, but I just figured I would go over and show you guys again. But yeah, this is just how the car is looking at the moment.
Alright guys, so it's officially empty. This is the sound deadening right here, a little section right there, all by the gas tank. Let me show you some by the where the driver or passenger sit, right there, there, and as I said, right there. We've been joined by my boy Jostone, and yeah, we're about to just drop the gas tank, because I do plan next mission is to get the car undercoated. So we're gonna be dropping the gas tank, but yeah, and then we'll begin the dry ice process. All right guys, so as we're about to take off the fuel pump, the gas tank, Jocelyn over here is just taking off this cover, and you want to explain to them why you're taking it off?
Yeah, just to take off the lines, the connectors, make sure there's nothing actually hanging the gas tank up once we go to drop it, just to make life a little bit easier. Like you see all these lines and connectors, we just got to get them all off.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
Okay, let's do it. All right guys, so we're just stripping out the interior a little bit at a time. See if you guys can see right here. Should be good enough.
We'll see if you have an adjustable.
Making some progress, guys, you already know, little by little. 10 out of 10. Okay. Let's try a 12. It's definitely a 12. I like how it has AN lines already.
Oh, really?
Those are AN lines.
I didn't even notice. Oh shit. By the way, I was thinking about still getting an Integra.
Okay.
I want it really bad. I was.
You want to tell that to YouTube?
I want an Integra really bad. I'm a little pussy.
Tell him to get an Integra, guys.
I want one really, really bad. But I've been sleeping on it. I gotta get another 17. BRB.
Is this like coming out or not? I don't get it. Guys, when I tell you it's so hot, it is so hot. This shit went back into tight when I was trying to loosen it. Alright, we got it. We got it. If anybody wants some EK plastic panels, rear seats, get at me on IG, KSeries .Icing. Yeah, you already know, but I'll get back to you guys.
Okay, click.
Alright guys, wait, whoa, don't be showing me off, yo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, just show in here,
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I just broke up one block and I'm gonna spread them around. Don't mind me being shirtless. It's hot as hell out here in New Jersey.
He's hot as hell.
But yeah, we just out here.
Oh, someone wants to say hi to you.
Hello. How are you?
You should touch it with your bare hands.
Yeah, you're
how it
stupid as
feels.
hell. You're
You should definitely not touch that with your bare
crazy.
hands.
Cut
Oh,
this.
shit.
Can you cut the other bag?
Ooh,
Cut
yeah.
the stuff
Want me to
out.
record? I got you.
Yeah, here you go.
Give the camera to my sonny.
Let's see you
cut the other
cut this
foot.
bag.
Either.
Come on,
Bag?
cut the bag.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut that bag and try to not freeze my hands.
Never mind.
You look good without a shirt
Nah,
on.
you can't be recording that. That's not YouTube friendly.
Can you zoom in with this? Is it like a button? Who, you?
No, him.
Oh, true. All this dry ice. Chill.
God damn.
Oh shit.
Alright. If you guys can hear it's starting to crack, that means it's working. It definitely feels much better in here. It feels like I have AC.
That's what I'm gonna do for now. I'm gonna put dry ice.
I hear it a little bit. This shit ain't gonna fucking pop on me, right?
No.
Put it in the bag. Knock them out.
I just heard it over here.
Looking fresh, Kenya.
Mad hot.
Mmm. You got icebergs in this shit.
Frost us.
You got snow?
Yeah, come on,
Got
snow.
this one, yeah.
Got snow.
Oh, and I don't know if I sent you the link to it.
Alright, want me to finish it? Cut it?
Oh, you know exactly.
Yeah, you can cut the clip.
No, I think so.
Alright.
No, I think like if he gets another side, you'll be able to lift it.
Alright, ready?
Are you ready?
Let's see, let's see. Almost.
Almost?
No, really.
Yeah.
Almost there.
Not yet.
The front end.
Oh, the front might be later. Hold up.
Yeah. I was scared
Duh,
because I
you
want
gotta fucking.
bend the panel.
That shit cracking. Alright, fuck it. Nah,
I
almost.
think that side lifted
That's
up more.
came
My
up.
side
Damn,
or this
Isaac fucking stronger than you. What happened?
I'm a weak little man.
side? Little?
Yes.
Okay.
Little by height.
Little. Alright guys, so it's been a little while. As you can see, I took one piece off so far. It is starting to get like a little like, you know, loose, breakable type of thing. I'm just gonna start picking at some spots, see what I could take out already. Little by little. See, it's coming out. It's pretty cold in here. Like this whole piece, lift it up just now, boom, super easy. It's definitely working. Let me put that on there. Let me get this out. Stupid little rat's nest. It's not really a rat's nest, but you know. Boom. gonna let it sit for a little bit longer, and I'm gonna just keep picking at it, guys. But I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, so it's been a couple hours since I picked up the camera. I just threw some water on myself because it's way too hot out here. But so let me give you guys a rundown. I bought 20 pounds of dry ice, and it's about 90 something. I haven't even checked, but it's probably like 90 or maybe even 100. I don't even know. Outside, 100 degrees. And 20 pounds is enough with how hot it is out here. But I've been managing to get most of this off. I'm only missing like right there, right here, and now here, and then a little bit right there, a little bit left right there, and I still gotta do that back half right there and right there. But it is way too hot. I should have bought more. I guess I didn't factor in the fact of heat plays a role in this. I probably could have been all right with 30 pounds of dry ice, but I guess you live and you learn. But yeah, that's the progress so far. But yeah, that's just how it's coming out right now. Let's just take a look at this and admire the beauty. But yeah, that's just how it's going down right now, sadly. All right, guys, so as you can see, I really didn't record much more. I hate to make videos like this and not like really accomplish much. But basically, as you guys saw, we were doing the dry ice and trying to remove some of it off. We got some of it off with the dry ice, but today was just too hot. So basically all the dry ice melted, and it just didn't work out really. So I got some of it off, now all of it off. I got the passenger side where the passenger sits completely off. Maybe I left a couple little spots, like glue spots. I got the two back seat areas, and the driver's side still completely on, and the trunk's still completely on. Because after the dry ice melted, I just still continued to sit there, hammer with the orange hammer and the like a spackle. I just couldn't get the rest off, and I'm beat, and I'm dead. It's really bad out here in Jersey. It was 100 something today. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you can. I would appreciate that, and hopefully we could keep videos like this going on. Next mission is finish removing the sound deadening, and next undercoating the car, and then we're ready for paint. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.